Actually, it's amazing. It's pretty good. We see a lot of our existing clients as well as some of the new ones. So it's always nice to say hello in person and actually, address anything that needs to be addressed in that kind of environment. It's actually really thriving this year, isn't it? And we have beautiful weather today. Okay, the first 2 days was a bit interesting, but we went.
It's now sunny. We're now enjoying the sun. Now, Natalia, tell us, what is GumBallPay for those who doesn't know about it yet?
Right, so we're a payment solutions provider, and we operate across the globe in majority of the countries. Obviously, we've been on the market for quite some time. We're well established in that sense. We offer various solutions. Obviously, our core product is cards, so the Visa, MasterCard solutions, but we also offer different alternative payment methods as well, including those with those local acquirers and local banks, as well as, those working internationally in general. So we're supporting a wide range of partners, merchants, clients.
Right, so meaning not just iGaming, not just a gaming, but really like different industries, right?
No. So actually, we are working mainly in iGaming. That's definitely our focus, and that's the bread and butter of the day-to-day. And obviously, there's still a lot of work to be done. There's still a lot of things to happen, to change from the payments side of things. And we're very excited to be in this industry and actually, be at the forefront of the payment solutions and kind of like evolve with the industry itself, because it's very exciting as it is.
It's an ever-evolving industry.
Absolutely.
The gaming industry. Now, Natalia, tell us, how is GumBallPay different from other payment solutions company?
Right, no, definitely. So I think we all know that generally speaking, the payment solutions the area itself it's a difficult area to be in. We pride ourselves in terms of what we've done and what we've achieved so far, and we are always looking to improve our ways, right? So, for example, like I said to you just now, our main focus has been the cards, but we do listen to our clients, and we do want to make sure that we are being as competitive as we can be. So, for example, offering localized APMs, offering multi-currency processing, and kind of just being flexible for them, ensuring the security of transactions, ensuring the approval rates being very high. Like, that's definitely something that we are very proud of, and we're continuing on evolving.
That's great to know. Now, I want to ask you, how do you ensure that, or how does GumBallPay ensure that you are actually, compliant? Because as you've mentioned, you have clients internationally. So,
Absolutely.
but then, jurisdictions have their own, regulations. It varies in different countries and different jurisdictions. So how do you make sure that you are, compliant on these regulations?
So we obviously have a compliance team, which takes care of all of that, and they follow all of the different laws and regulations that are ever changing, as you know yourself. And we are, when it comes to actually data security, for example, we are PCI DSS compliant. We implement very strict protocols on our side. We vet our clients and obviously the end users as much as we can, and we do everything possible to ensure that the transactions are as secure as they can be, because we do want to make sure that the longevity of the company itself is as big as it possibly can be. So we are very careful with what we do as a business. Like I said to you before, GumBallPay is a company which is well established on the market, and I'm pretty sure if you ask any of the merchants who are here right now with us, they would know who we are, and we want to ensure that it continues on. We are very well known for being a stable solution, a secure solution, so we want to remain that way. But compliance-wise, we always monitor all of the changes in the different countries and the laws, and anything that we need to adjust to, we do as it happens.
Now, I'm curious, how do you address challenges when it comes to, cross-border payments? Or are there any specific challenges that you can cite, and how do you address them?
I mean, okay, right. So I think when it comes to cross-border payments, as I mentioned, we're an international company, so we have to be at the forefront of that. We do offer local currencies when it comes to the front currencies. If a merchant has international brands and they want to offer that as a service to their end users, we can enable that. We obviously process in, euro, USD, we can do yens, whatever it is, we can do it. So we're being flexible in that sense to ensure that the transactions are as seamless and as smooth for the merchant as well as the end user.
All right, now we're at the fourth quarter of 2024. We're almost, welcoming 2025. What's your outlook for next year for GumBallPay?
Well, we always have a lot of different plans. Like I said, things are very fast-paced in this space, so we have to adapt, we have to adjust. Yes, we have a roadmap that we are trying to adhere to, but things are changing here and there. So as you said, how do you manage the changes in regulations? How do you adapt to all the different jurisdictions and the changes in laws? We have to monitor that. So like with what's happening in the LATAM, in the Brazil region, and what's happening in the Nordic countries, Australia, what happened in all of those places, again, we had to adapt. So for us, it's very important to remain strong in Europe. Obviously, we're very strong in GCC, and kind of the focus is also being shifted to an extent to the Southeast Asian market as well. So we try to make sure that, the clients are asking us for local solutions or local APMs in those regions, like whether it be in Southeast Asia, like I said, Japan, the Korea, or whether it's in India. There was a lot of things going on there recently. You're trying to make sure we do adapt to that.
All right.
So that's our main focus for sure. Just making sure that we are ahead of everything that we know will be taking place. And we have a backup.
Definitely. Great plans ahead. I wish you all the best, Natalia of GumBallPay. Thank you so much for being here.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you.